Everyone, in this video we will see what is data binding in Angular. Let's see. Okay, first we have a component.ts file here. Okay, what is it? Component.ts file. Okay, now one is we have what we see in website, that is html. Okay, now we what is data binding? Data binding is that which connect both component dot ts and the html. Okay, like this to this, and this to this. Okay, you create a variable here, you can show in html. You click like add a event listener, you can for run call a function and from it, like click the function will be run in component. Okay, let's see the definition. What is definition? Or in Angular, or binding is creates a dynamic connection between a component's template and its data. This connection ensures that changes to the components automatically after the render template. That means the main focus is that it helps to communicate between the component and the HTML. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you in next part.